Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily update Snapchat application on your iPhone. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, in this video I will show you completely that how you can update your Snapchat application on both iPhone and Android. I am on my iPhone. You can follow the exact same steps if you are on an Android. So first of all, open up the App Store or Google Play Store. Basically, there are two ways of updating an application. The first one is to simply head over to App Store or Play Store and then simply search for Snapchat. And once you're on this page, if it says update instead of open both on iPhone and Android, you can simply tap on update and update the application. But if it says open, technically your Snapchat is updated to the latest version, but you still don't have access to the latest features and you're facing some bugs and glitches. You can always do one thing: you can force update your application to the latest version by simply heading over to the settings and then go to general and then iPhone storage. And if you are on an Android, you can simply head over to the settings and then apps and then go to the Snapchat. After that, you'll have to tap on offload and then tap on offload app, and after it is done, then tap on reinstall app. And if you're on an Android, you'll simply have to clear cache and then clear storage, and after then uninstall the application from the settings and then go to the Play Store and then reinstall your app and log in your account. It will definitely force update your application to the latest version. You'll be able to check the version of your application after doing this method. So that's how you can easily update your Snapchat application on both Android and iPhone in 2024. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.